Hi! In front of me is Nokia X30 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications. Then choose App Settings. After that, click on Most Recent and tap on one of those options. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same one. If you want to, you can click on one of those apps over here as well and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!